Okay, this is Henry at 13 days with the hiccups, which he gets all the time. Aww. And we were just singing and dancing a little bit, but he doesn't seem very happy that he has the hiccups. Do you have the hiccups? You're so cute though.